Back to another unboxing, bros. I've been waiting for this for almost the past whole week, and it's finally here, bro. We are unboxing the Supreme Gold ODB football tee. It's not gold, it's just yellow, alright? So here are my predictions. Either the sticker is gonna be his ID, which would be tight. If it is, I'm most likely gonna sell it. So yeah, let's see what we got. Oh yeah, before I do any of this, I forgot to give a shout out to people on Instagram. Alright, so give a shout out to these big guys right here, bro. To everybody that's like looking at this right now. So this is everybody. Remember to go follow them on Instagram. So yeah, big shout out to these guys. Alright. Anyways, alright, let's fucking open this. What the fuck? Wait. Look how big the bag is. Dude, look at this bag. What the fuck? Look at this. This is the regular bag, and look what I fucking got. God man. But bro, what the fuck? They gave me a huge ass one. Alright. Let's just open this shit, bro. Oh, I'm already excited, bro. Alright. So I don't know why they gave me a big ass bag. They should have just gave me like a medium size. So stickers are first. We're not gonna do the shirt yet. We're doing stickers first. Alright. Ooh, okay. I don't want to turn it around yet. Hold up. Okay. This is really sharp though. Things first. The box logo. Alright. Second sticker. Oh, dude. I can just tell it's gonna be his ID. It's gonna be the old dirty bastard ID. Oh, wait, no. This drop was like a month ago. I hated this drop so much. This is what the fuck? Dude, this is so fucking retarded. I hate this brand so much. Stupid. Alright. I'm guessing this is the final sticker, and I hope it's the old dirty bastard ID. Aw, come on. It's again the collab. Look at this shit. This shit's so ugly. What am I gonna do with this? I don't want this. Onto the shirts. Oh, dude. What? Look at this. It already has a hole. Alright. Oh, yeah. Here we have it. The old dirty bastard. Oh shit. Golden tee. Look at that. That's tight. New York. Quality Grammy. EST 1944. That's sick. And then what the fuck? Look at the back. Wow. Bro, come on. Look at that. Now it's all over on the shirt. I can't seem to get it off. That's literally that's enough for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to go follow the people I shouted out on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.